How to backup contacts to Google account. Now let's get started. First of all, you have to open up the default contact in your mobile device, and here make sure that you have synced or logged in or linked one of your Google account where you would like to backup your contacts to. Now once you're on your Google account in your contact, now to import or to backup the contact, now from this interface at the bottom right corner, there you might find an option as organize, to tap on it. Now here scroll down a bit, and under this section that says this device, tap on manage SIM. From here choose the SIM card where you would like to import the contact or backup the contact from. For example, I will go with this SIM, then tap on OK. After that, you have to choose the contacts that you would like to backup, and if you would like to backup all of the contacts, by default all of the contacts will get selected. Now if you want to choose the specific one, you can do that as well by tapping on this tick mark. Now once you have choose all the contacts, now all you have to do is tap on this import button from the top right corner, and with that all the contacts will get backed up in your Google account and or will get import to your Google account. So that's how you can backup contact to Google account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.